So what does it mean to win the storm? When we talk about winning a storm, we aren't just talking about helping property owners after large storms or inking more deals or making more money. For some, a storm could be a virus pandemic like COVID-19. A business gone bankrupt from a government shutdown. Or a carrier not honoring business interruption insurance. For others, a storm could be a pending divorce, a business partner dispute, or a close loved one heading into surgery or on her deathbed.
Dozens of people still missing in Tennessee after America's deadliest tornado outbreak in years. At least 24 people killed so far. Officials say many of the victims were asleep in their beds when the storms hit.
No matter who you are, no matter how much money you have or make, or how many times you do the right thing, there will always be a storm of some kind in your life or business.
Millions of Americans suffering the effects of Hurricane Laura, the Category 4 hurricane, just shy of a Category 5.
Construction company, so I'm the one who supplies all the concrete guys with like the rebar and everything that they need to make their foundations. And that's the hardest part because I was making really good money for me and my kids, and now I'm down to nothing and don't know how long I'll have my truck until.
Well, I don't have a lot of cash on me, but I'll give you a little bit to help.
You guys are too good.
The perfect storm doesn't only come from nature, it also comes from within. There's a storm raging daily inside each of us. The one that can cause man or woman to hesitate, lose sight of their dreams, or get distracted by the noise and interference from others and the world itself. It can either destroy our creative ideas, our business, and our energy, or that same storm can be harnessed to create things never seen or done before. Launching new ideas, products, services, and revenue-producing realities that shape the world around us for many years to come. Not just for the sake of making money, but to create legacy. Being an entrepreneur, key manager, or sales associate in this industry can be both a lonely and difficult journey when you don't have the right network, people, exposure, training, and tribe. For many years, that tribe did not exist, but it does now.
I think Win the Storm would be described as the #1 insurance restoration industry networking event.
Our business has exploded the last 3 or 4 years. 80% of that is through Storm Ventures, affiliates, and people I've met through the industry, just through the, you guys have, and also the trade show. So it's been a thriving part of our business for sure.
You wonder what the next move is, you know, where the trends are going, how is your next round of business coming? And building those relationships with your customers, with property management companies, and with people within the industry through SVG is invaluable.
Booyah, baby!
Join us at the annual Win the Storm Conference and Trade Show Expo on March 31st, April 1st, and 2nd at the New Orleans Convention Center.
Highway, cool Warm smell of politas rises up through the air. Up ahead in the distance, I saw a shimmering light.